Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, you will learn how to filter your visualizations using a text value search with the text slicer visual. So previously, if you see here, this slicer allowed adding a search option, but it didn't allow to filter data based on text search. You can achieve this seamlessly using the text slicer visual, which is really awesome. So let's get started. To use the text slicer, ensure you are using the latest version like November 2024 or later version you need to use. So here I am using February 2025. So make sure that you are using the latest version and see here. This is the text slicer that I'm referring to. So once you get the updated version right, you have to first enable it. Initially will not be able to see this visual. So what you have to do is you go to file and from there you go to options and settings. Then you go to options and here you have to go to this option preview features. So select it and just scroll down a bit and here you will see this option text slicer visual. So you have to check this option. By default it will be unchecked, so you just need to check this option and then click OK, and after that you have to restart your Power BI desktop. So once you restart your Power BI desktop, you will be able to see this text slicer added to the visual pane. Now first let me add the existing slicer which we have been using all the time. So here let me for example add a field product name. And by default here you will not see the search option added. You have to click on this ellipsis and there you have to select search and this search option will be added. Now, for example, if I want to search with the word zebra for the product, so you will see all the products which have zebra in it. Now, in order to filter the visualization with all these products, you have to manually select it, right? So this is where this text slicer visual different from this existing one. So let me now add the text slicer visual and show you how it works. So let me just click on this text slicer and see it has been added and I have to add the field. So again, let me add same product name here. You will not be able to see the data here because here you have to enter the particular text that you want to search for. So let me search with the same text zebra and just hit enter. And now you see these visualizations have been filtered with the keyword zebra. Let me just add some other text. For example, let me add apple and hit enter. And now you see this visualization also has been filtered with all the products which have this apple text in the name. So this text visual is extremely useful for fields like product names or any description or comments etc. which contain very lengthy text and making it very easier to search and filter data efficiently. And this text slicer also has some options. If you want, you can add some formatting to it. Like if you expand this input text option, here if you want to show some default text, you can use that. For example, enter the text to search. So this is what will show by default. Again, you may think what is the functionality of this right arrow once you add the text. So let me add, for example, canvas. So either you hit enter or alternatively you can click on this right arrow and the visualizations will be filtered. Again, if you want to add some color to this right arrow, you can do that. You can just expand this icon option and just select some color and this color will also change. You can also increase the size of this icon using this icon size option. Then if you want, you can also add some background color to it. For example, if you want to go for some dark color for this icon, you can get it done. If you want, you can add some border color. Let me add some dark color or something. So it will be added. Also, if you want to add some color to this dismiss button, that is a cross one, you can do that. Just expand this dismiss button option and you can select some different color. So let me just add some different color, for example this green, and you will see the change in the color. You can also increase the size of this dismiss button as well. So I hope now you are able to understand the functionality of the text slicer, how it is different from the previous slicer. And that's all for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.